It's an exciting, yet admittedly a confusing time to be publishing a book. There's so many publishing options: traditional publishing, self-publishing, hybrid publishing. In this video series, we're here to break down each option. If you want to know more about the different types of publishing options, you can find the links in the description. In this video, we're going to be looking at hybrid publishing. Hybrid publishing combines elements from both traditional publishing and self-publishing. Like traditional publishing, the publisher provides expert editing, design, distribution, and marketing services. However, unlike traditional publishing, you retain the rights of your book and have the final say over its content, design, and pricing, just like in self-publishing. So how does hybrid publishing work? You invest with a hybrid publisher upfront and let them assist you with editing, design, distribution, and marketing. However, you still have complete control over all aspects of your book and you earn much higher royalties than in traditional publishing. Hybrid publishing is a great option for you if you want professional support when it comes to distribution and marketing and you prefer not to navigate the publishing process all by yourself like with self-publishing. But at the same time, you have a clear vision for your book and you want to retain creative control and publishing rights. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!